Hey guys, today is Friday, May 19th, 2023. Before we get into any explanations, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor and everything in this video is for educational purposes only. Secondly, you may see that we are using currently the replay on the chart because this morning I had a live chart going where you could have seen the entries and stuff where I would have entered a trade. However, the audio was cut off, and so I have to re-record this and give you the next best thing, which is the chart replay. I personally did not enter any trades today, mainly because we did not see a higher time frame resistance area, which for me would have been on the hourly, daily, and so on. Now, what I do see though is that on my three levels I like marking, which is the 8 a.m. open, the midnight open, and yesterday's close, we saw that price was actually trading above all three. When price is trading above all three, you can expect a pullback. You can expect a reversal. But what really stopped me from really entering, even though we had a bearish idea, was that we're bullish on the day, correct? And the range is only 14 at this time. SPX likes moving anywhere between 20 and 30. And so it still had quite a bit of range to go up to that target. So that without resistance right here made me believe that even if we got into a bearish trade, it could reverse and continue going higher. However, let's see what happened. So altogether we are still bearish. Our idea is bearish, right? So if we have a bearish mindset, we want a change of character after 9 a.m. closer to the equities open, which is 9:30, right? So a good change of character would be this level right here. So if we just fast forward a little bit, you will notice that price closes below it. Well, not close below it, but closes at it and goes below it right here. When this happens, you have to mark your imbalances or ICT fair value gap, which is, you could do right here, this is 1. And yes, this is 1 too, but if you look at the Fibonacci and you go above 50%, your entry should be at this area here, or an imbalance above it, which would have been this imbalance, which is pretty small. Okay. Let me just widen it a little bit. Okay. I don't like this imbalance. Okay. Because it had already been tested, so my entry would be right there. Let's see if we got into the entry. So we're just waiting for an entry right now. And we got the entry right there. So if we went short right here, right at the line here, we'll do it right there. Our stop loss is this high, right? And our take profit we'll say is a 2-to-1. Now, in some videos you see me go 5-to-1 and so on, right? 5R. But because we have news at 11 and all that stuff that I mentioned earlier, a 2R would be fine. Let's see what happens. Price goes lower and it hits take profit. So within about, let's say 10 minutes, let's say this was 19, yeah, within about 8-10 minutes, you're out of the trade with a 2R profit. And that's how you would have played this trade. I did not get into it. As you could see, we had no resistance up here. So this could have just been a fake out right here, and then it could have kept going higher. But let's see if it would have hit 3R. It would have hit 3R, yes. And let's see if it would hit 5R by the end of where price is right now. It went up to our entry. It went up to our entry again. And looks like it would have hit our take profit right here. So it would have hit your 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R. I personally though would go for a 2R on a day like this where you don't have any resistance, where you don't have any other confluences such as the range of the day, because as we knew, the range of the day was only 14 at the time. Now it's at 20, right? And that's it. You would have been in and out within 8 minutes and you're done for the day. You know, you're finished. And that's pretty much how I want you guys to see these trades over and over and over, please. The only thing missing was resistance at this level like this, right? Everything else lined up. We had yesterday's close, midnight open, 8 a.m. Prices trading above all three, and then after 9 a.m., it could be before 9, it could be any time after 8:30, we see the change of character happen right here, right? And once this happens, we see a trade back up into the imbalance, and then it goes down. That's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do, okay? That's all you gotta do. You put your entry on the imbalance fair value gap, and you just wait, okay? Stop loss is up here, maybe a point above or a few ticks above, but either way, all your take profits would have been hit, and that's how price went, okay? That's all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.